Washing the Jeep. And the Forerunner.
With Wyoming behind us, it was time to head into Idaho. Since it was a weekend, a lot of camps were taken, but with rain clouds in the distance, we were lucky enough to stumble onto Altura Lakes in the Sawtooth wilderness. The water was really cold, but it felt good to cool off since it was a little warmer in Idaho than Wyoming.
You guys want to tell us what we're cooking?
So here we are for episode 3 of Camping in the Wild. Cooking in the Wild, I'm sorry. Today it looks like we have some Parmesan crusted shake and baked chicken, which I've never made, so it might not come out perfect the first time, but hey, we're gonna work with what we got. Mac and cheese and some onion and chive sour cream mashed potatoes. We are in Altura Lakes here, just south. We're in the Sawtooth National Forest. So yeah, we're gonna stay here for 2 nights before we head back south to Utah.
What do you got to say, babe?
We're hungry.
We spent 2 nights in Altura Lakes, but it was time to head south. Utah brought warmer weather, but as always, we found water to cool off in. Spending time in Utah was great, but I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bittersweet, as I knew our adventure was coming to an end. Still, we made a lot of memories throughout our trip. And you know what? I look forward to the next one.